Okay, I'm sharing you one code and let me know what can be the output. Okay,
Okay.
tell me what will be the output.
Set timer for console. There is no delay in seconds. And now promise dot result. Result of 6. Okay. First the promise will be resolved and then the set timer will be called. Like first promise resolve and then set timer.
Okay, so
Yeah.
what will be the output?
Yes, sir. Console dot like promise resolve first
Okay,
and then set timeout.
okay, and what will be the output of this?
Same
Same.
sir. Like
Okay,
promise resolve first and
can you
and then
tell
set timeout.
can you tell me why the output is
Yes, yes, yes. In JavaScript, like it has the specificities for first one console.log and then promises and then callback function. The promises will go under the micro tasks. Like the callback will be the have the least specificity.
okay? So you mean to say the
Normal
promise?
like yes, the promises will be compared to callback function. The promises will have some more priority.
Okay, okay, fine.
Yes.
What will be the output of plus one plus one? Can you tell me what will be the output?
Yes. Uh, 21.
21.
Yes, 21.
Okay, can you share your screen?
Okay. Yes, is it visible?
Yes, it is. Just give me a second, right? Just give me a second. Okay, yeah, can you open any JS
Okay.
editor? Any,
Yes.
can you open any
I think
JS?
it.
Can you open any JS editor?
Yeah. Okay. Okay. I got it. Like I think it 12. Yes, sir. It
So
says 12.
what?
Like
So can you done?
yeah. Is it visible?
Yeah, it is visible, but I'm not able to see. Yeah, can you please copy and paste or whatever?
Yeah. Okay. Okay. Yes, is it? Yeah. It will be like 1 plus 1 will be 11 and then two, plus 1 12. So the output will be 12.
Okay, run it.
Yes. Triple one.
So can you tell me why it is triple one?
Yes, I know. The first one will be when it is a plus sign, the string concatenation will be done.
Okay, so then
I thought it will be after, I thought that 1 plus string 1 will be 11 and 11 plus 1 I think 12.
okay, so you
Like
told me 1 plus 1 will be 11.
11 is
Okay, so what will be the data type of 1 plus 1?
like only single one, like plus included the plus 1.
No, no, I'm saying what will be the data type of 1 plus 1, starting 1 plus string 1. One number plus string
One
1.
number will be, okay, the
So
one
what
will
will be the
be number
what will be the data type of that output? One.
output.
Yes, 1
Yeah,
plus
the data
string
type of
1,
output will be string.
it will be string. So,
Yes,
and then we are adding with 1.
yes, fine, yes, okay.
So, how you
Yeah,
told me that it can be addition rather than
yeah.
concatenation?
I thought uh, after adding 1 plus 1 it will be 11. So I think
Okay,
there will be place
okay,
there.
got it.
Mm,
Now you got it. So now
yes.
this triple one, what will be the data type of this triple one?
Yeah, it is string.
Can you show me with the how will you check the data type?
Yeah. Yes. This.
Okay, you.
Yes.
I'm giving you one more. Okay,
Okay.
so logo, so logo one minus one plus. Can you tell me what will be the output?
1 minus 1 0 and the output will be 1.
Output will be
Just only 1.
only one.
Yes.
And what will be the data type of it?
0 plus 1. I think number, because after 1 the string will be converted to as number, then 0
Why
it will be
here?
like
Why
a
here
string.
it is string is converted into number?
uh, Except in the plus, rest all the data types, sorry, rest all the symbols, the string will be converted to number.
So which string will be
Okay.
convert like okay, so one
Plus,
minus one, starting one
yes,
minus string of one. So what will be the data type of it?
the output of the results,
Yes, output of
like
the
1
result.
minus 1 number. Yes, it will be number.
It will be number, and then
Yes,
plus one,
number plus 1 1.
and that will be data
No,
type
number
number. Okay, and what will be the output you said?
1.
One. Okay. Okay. Hmm. Okay. Take an array, any array.
Okay.
And I want multiplication of all the elements of the array with the help of reduce function.
Yeah, like 1 into 2 into 3.
Yes, with the help of reduce function.
Yes, yes.
Okay. uh,
Yes.
okay, fine. uh, Suppose I do array dot unshift, and
Array dot on step.
in bracket I write 10. So what will happen with the array?
Array dot on shift and in bracket you will write 10.
10, yes.
Okay, unshift means the number will be added to the zero index.
Okay. So what
Yes.
will be the array?
10 comma 1 comma 2 comma 3.
Okay. Okay. And if I write array dot shift, then what it will
Yes.
happen?
Uh, I think I said reverse earlier.
Yes, come again.
Like I think I said reverse, like unshift.
So you
Unshift
mean
is
to
it?
reverse? You
Yeah,
mean to
like
say
uh, as unshift I said like it is a correct or wrong.
and shift? I will tell you, but tell me first
Okay.
shift. Now unshift we have moved on, but tell me shift. If I tell array dot shift method,
Shift. Yes. Okay. I got
that's
it.
it. Then what it will happen?
I think it uh, forgot. Removes the element or
Yes, come again.
it removes the element from the last.
From the
Sorry,
last.
not. Like it will be pop. Okay, it removes the element from first.
Are you sure?
Yes, sir.
Okay, it will remove the element from the last first.
First,
And
first, yes.
array, and you for unshift that I told you told me it will get added from to the first element. Are you
First
sure for
index.
this?
Uh, okay. Yeah, okay, sir.
No,
Whatever.
I'm
Okay.
saying, are you sure on that?
Yes, okay, sure.
Okay, okay, that's correct. That's fine.
Yeah.
Mm. Okay, what is the difference between slice method and splice method?
Slice is like if you want to split an array or if you want to split a string, we give a starting index and ending index. Like splice means if you, we will give an index and if we want to change the value of that index, we will give the updated value.
Okay, you mean to say if you want to replace any element with another element.
Yes,
Okay, can you do with this
yes,
array?
okay. Splice, splice.
Slice, right? I
Slice.
asked you slice.
Slice means it will be like splitting.
Splitting.
Yes, splice means like we can update the elements.
Splice only we can update the element. That's it.
No, we can also split the string, split the array or split.
We can split this array or
Yes,
we can update the element. That's it. With the splice.
yeah, I did these two only.
Okay. We can't add, we can't
Yeah,
insert.
like
Okay, do a
okay.
slice method first on this array, and tell me first what is slice method.
Yeah, slice means like splitting the array. If you want to split an array, the particular index, we can split it. Like I will split now one. It will print zero, 1, 2. No, it will print 1, 2 only array.
Okay,
Split array. Sorry. Okay,
what
directly I
happened?
put it. It printed 3. It printed the element of last.
Yes. So why?
I think 0, 1, 2. Okay. It directly printed the element of the last.
Hmm.
I think I missed starting index.
So what you are doing here now with this slice method?
Like taking the elements from 0 index, comma 1.
Yes.
Like,
And what you are
yes,
doing? What will be the output?
I think only one because it goes up to the
So
index, but
so
not
you
the
mean
index.
to say it will output will be one? You mean to say?
One, yes, I think one.
You can go ahead.
Yes, one, sir.
Okay, and do splice.
Splice.
Yeah, and tell me what will be this splice. What is slice? First, tell me what is splice,
Splice.
and then we'll go ahead.
Yeah, like splice means like if we want to add any value at
You
the
told me
current
first.
index.
You told me first. You can update the element. Earlier, you told me with the help of splice we can update the element, right?
Yeah, like at the index of suppose if we want to
And that's
replace the
it.
element with no, we can do some other operation like adding the elements.
We can add the elements. That's it.
Yes.
We can update the elements and we can add the elements. That's it.
Yeah, I didn't work on splice so many times.
Okay.
Just I updated the elements and removed the elements.
Okay. So you told me you can update the element.
Update means like we can at the
You can replace the
index of
element.
yeah not exactly replace like after the suppose if I want to place an something element at index of one, like I can place the index at element another element and the two will be moved to the next index.
It will move to the next index.
Next index.
So
Yes.
you mean to say you can insert.
Yeah. Insert
Okay. Only insertion can be done.
insertion updated. Mm, not getting that right.
Okay. You told me you can do the insertion. So please go ahead with the insertion with the help of splice method. And which element you are inserting at which index? Just let me know.
At index one at index one, like
Yes. You are
uh,
adding which element?
I'm inserting one element only, like five, number five,
You are inserting element 5 at
five.
index 1.
Yes,
And this is how you will do it.
yes.
Okay, go ahead.
Just printed two.
Do it above the slice method. The slice method uh, just
Both.
comment down the slice method. You have printed the slice method, right? Yes.
Yes, sure, like this.
But you told me you are only inserting and you have here replace the element,
replace the element.
but you told me you are inserting it, right?
Yeah. Yes, yes, I will
So
insert at the end.
why it is inserted, why it didn't got inserted, and why replaced? Here the element got
Okay.
replaced, but
Uh,
according to you
yes,
this
yes.
is a insertion,
Insertion. Yes.
but it is not.
Yes, yes. Like I have mentioned that at the index 1, and I will replace the element only 1, it will be like 5. Like if you want to, I think if I keep here 2, it will be like
Don't print it.
no, no, I won't print. Just
So if you
yes.
telling me if the middle one, middle parameter, if you are
2,
replacing it
1,
with
1.
2, that
Yes.
second, so what it will happen?
Like I'm able to add 2 more elements.
Two more elements, can you do it?
Like if I add like here 2, and I want like 5, 5 mention. Is it possible? Can I run this?
Yeah, you can. You are telling me at the second position, first position, two
Okay.
elements, right? What it is happening?
Okay. It replaced the third 3 with 7.
It is replaced.
Replaced with 3 with 7.
No, it has
Yeah,
replaced
it
3 with
output
7 and
just
2 with 5.
yeah, it
So
is
you
on
told
previous yes.
me different case, right? You are inserting it.
Yes, yes. I
So
thought like it
can
will
you
be
do?
like 5 comma
So
7.
can you do the insertion? As you said, you know how to insert it with the help of
Mm,
splice method.
I thought I thought this was the insertion. So,
So okay.
uh,
So okay, fine.
okay. I
Got it.
will definitely work on it.
Okay,
I should
no
definitely
worries, no
work on it.
worries, no worries. Okay, tell me what will be the output? Is N uh, um, mm, tell me what can be the output.
Is now yeah, true.
First, tell me what is an n.
Is n nothing? It represents is not a number.
Okay, and it will be
Like true.
true. Okay,
Yes.
it will be true. Is n. True.
Is true.
What will be the output?
Can I? Yeah,
First, tell me, and then you can run it.
yeah, okay. Like it will directly log to.
Yes.
So I think it is true.
Okay.
Because it's not.
You can run it. Tell me the reason why you told true.
Because it is directly logging and it is not storing the value, right?
Okay, you can go ahead.
Just between two, it just log it to. Okay.
Why it got two and why it didn't print?
Yeah.
you got triggered here. You haven't
Yes.
printed console log of isNN.
Yes.
Can you print it?
Like
And you told me that isNN will be true. Now you print it. Console log isNN.
wait, I didn't understand. Console log.
Now copy all that.
Okay.
And you told me it will be true, right? So please go ahead.
Okay, like this.
Yes.
Yeah. Okay. Because it is not storing the value. First of all, it is the is not number like the console log. It will directly logs the value. It is not storing. I think it will be the string.
Yeah, I got your point, but please make sure that
Why?
when you are I told you that is an end of console log of 2, it got print
Yes.
2, right? So
Yeah. Only
just
two.
see what you are
Yes.
printing, right? First. Okay.
And it is nano console.log of two.
Yeah, that's fine, but the previous one, the output which is true, a 2 we got, right?
Yeah. Okay.
So
Yeah.
at that moment you just got tricked and you got inside is an end, rather than you should be thinking of that direct printing of value,
Yes.
right? uh okay. Do you know what is function currying?
No, sir. No idea.
No idea. What is higher order function?
Yeah. Higher order function means like the function which accepts the another function and returns the enhanced version of the function.
Can you give me an example?
Yeah, like if suppose there is a function inside the another function, like nested functions.
Yeah, yeah. Just one any example, any code.
Yeah, I'll try. Okay. Like this A will be the higher order function, and the yes, sir, this A will be the higher order function. Yes.
Tell me,
Okay.
tell me what is the function, like the map, reduce, and filter. These kind of functions. They are which type of functions?
Like I didn't get your point. What is my
Map, reduce,
okay?
filter. These are the functions, right?
Yes.
So they are which type of functions?
Okay.
There
This
are first
accept
order
the
functions. There are many type of functions. So it is which type of function I am saying. Map, reduce, filter. They are which
yeah
type of
it
function?
okay, okay. It are higher order functions. Like it accept the another function itself.
Okay. So you could have told me directly map, any map, reduce, filter example. That's fine.
Yeah. Okay. Like
Okay, that's fine. That's fine. What is first order
okay.
function?
Yeah, first order function is like a function which has ability to pass as an argument to another function, or it's a function which has ability to return from the another function. Uh, yes, sir. Like,
Have you
there will
implemented
be one
first
more.
order?
No, I just read it about. I just read about it. So that's it. Like it has the ability to pass a parameter as another to another function, and it can be written from the another function.
Okay.
Yes.
Hmm. Okay. Mm, how will you check if an if there is an array, if that array is a array or not? Are you understanding my point?
Yes, yes, I got it. Like type of, you can use type, or
Yes.
is there any like,
Yes, like
yes,
whether it is an array or not. Like for example, like you check for a data type, right? For a variable.
yes, yes, type of,
Similarly, what you will use to check whether it is an array or not?
yes, type of,
Type of any
yes.
example you can give me.
Okay. Okay. Like, uh, like is there like array dot prototype?
You are asking me?
Like, can I say, like, is there any other method like with array dot
No,
prototype
no.
plus?
I'm just asking whether that
Yeah.
array is and how you will you check it?
Okay. Okay. Yes. Yes. Yeah. Not getting.
Have you used
Mhm.
is array method?
No, sir.
No. Okay. Okay.
Okay.
Mm, okay. Take an array that you have taken an array, right? Inside
Yes,
that
sir.
array, there should be three arrays with each element. Each array must having two elements. You got my point? Inside that array only,
Yeah. Yeah.
create
Like, okay, I
three
got it.
brackets.
Yeah. Like one comma two, two
Yes.
two, comma just like this.
Yes. Yes. Yes.
Directly can I write?
You can do it directly as well.
Yeah. Yes.
Now, how will you convert this array as you have to flat this array, like you have to create all the elements in a single array. You have to distribute it. You have to remove that
Okay.
brackets,
Okay. Okay.
right?
Good.
Inside that array ARR, there should be six elements,
Yeah.
and they
Okay.
shouldn't
Got it.
be. You got right?
Yeah. Got it.
Okay, just do it.
Okay. Can I check?
Yes.
Can I check the output?
Yeah, yeah, I just need the output. You can do whatever you want.
Okay. Yes.
Okay,
Like if this is a small error, so I have sorry I have done like this. Like if there is a
got it.
big error,
I got
I
it.
will I will map.
Okay. Any other method you do you have any idea?
Yeah, like we can use map method or as for loop.
For loop. Okay. Okay.
Yes.
How will you find? Okay, you have created this new array. Now, I
Yes.
want to find the index of the element 23. The element 23. I want to find the index. What will you do it? How will you do it?
Okay. Can I write
Yeah, go ahead.
this? Two.
Okay. Okay. What is the difference between set timeout and set interval?
Yeah. Set timeout means it will execute the function after the delay in seconds. Like set interval means it will be continuously repeating the function.
It will repeating the function.
Yes.
Okay. And
Set
how?
interval.
Yeah, got it. And how will you stop it?
Yeah, I will assign it to a variable like set interval ID equals to set timer, and I will call the ID with clear interval.
Okay.
Yes,
What are the types of errors in JavaScript?
types of errors. One will be reference error,
Okay.
one will be type error, uh, syntax error,
Okay.
uh,
Syntax error, type error,
yes,
and
reference error.
reference error. Yes.
Okay. Uh, uh, yes,
Okay.
getting
Okay.
this
Fine.
thing.
Fine. No worries. No worries. Do you know what is temporal dead zone?
Yes, sir.
Can you tell me with the help of example?
Yeah, okay. Uh, This is question. Yes, sir. Now this X will be going to the temporal region because the let have the block scope. It will be through a reference
No. No.
variable.
No. No need to run. Just tell me
Yeah,
where it
like the X will be does not created in the global scope. The X will be not created because we have assigned let variable to X. So the let will be a block scope, and the now the X here the first line X will be go into temporal zone.
Okay. So if you want to print the value of x, where you will print?
I didn't get like where.
I want to print the value of x and it should arrive as an output 10. Where you will do console? At which line of code?
Like third line.
Third line?
Yes.
Go ahead.
Uh, like it will be throw an error, so because the first line have an error reference error. It doesn't run. Here the code will be breaked
Uh,
at first line.
okay, so I just want to print the value of x. At which line?
Yes.
At where, which position will you insert console?
Like, can I move this x to one? I
It's
mean, second line.
it's all yours. I just want you. Yeah, you can do it. I you just I want you to print the value of x with no error.
Like, let will be here only. Like, I cannot change the data type.
That's the position of x equals to 10 and let x. You can't move up and down.
Change it.
I just want you to print now console, and you can put anywhere console in between, upwards, lower, anywhere.
Yeah, here I can print. I should not change the let to where. The let will be only let. Is it?
I told you that these two
Yes.
statements
Okay.
won't be getting any change.
Okay. Like, either it I can write in top or I can write in bottom.
Or in the
Is
middle
that
as well. You can write in the middle as well.
in middle?
Yeah.
Okay. Here I can console of
I
x.
want you to print the value of x without any error.
Let's see. Control of x. I cannot change this let. Yes.
Where it will get printed, that's for sure.
Just it will be printed as well. Control of x. Uh, Like, can I assign the value directly to 10 x?
I told you that
No.
it should get,
Uh,
you have to print it. Can you print it firstly?
I think no. Yes sir, no, I cannot.
So why you were trying to put,
Like I
you
thought,
have done console everywhere, in the upwards, in the
yes, yes.
downwards, in the
I thought after the first line, the console will be printed. So the let will be in line 4. The first will be like it will be taken as global scope, and then the console
x
log
will
x
be
will be
taken as
printed.
global scope.
Not, I think the the let is in fourth line. So I thought that x is initially the x will be taken as global, and then the console log will be x 10.
Okay.
So yes, I thought like that, but it is wrong.
So the x variable, will it get hosted?
No, let cannot be hosted.
Let cannot be hosted.
Yes.
Why?
Just now I said like the it will be gone into sorry go into the temporal Z zone.
They will be hosted. But okay, all the
I
types will get hosted. There is not an issue. But with let and const, there is something. Okay, so
like we can declare a let in block and calling from it block. Yes, sir.
create a function, okay, and inside that tell me where the line will be the temporal dead zone.
So, so in that I should say where the line will be dead zone.
Just do have let variables and then tell me where.
Okay. I should put these lines in function.
Yeah.
No, I think. it will be work as normally, I think.
I want the line where the temporal dead zone should appear. And tell me which line will be temporal dead zone.
Line number 5, I think.
Line number 5.
Yes.
Do you know why this line is known as temporal dead zone?
Yeah.
At which,
I
what you thought that the statement 5, the line number 5 will
will
be
be
in temporal dead zone.
like initially we are assigning x equals to 10 and then let equals to 10. So after assigning the
Do you
10,
know the
the
concept of temporal dead zone?
not exactly, but I just know what is temporal
Tell me in
reason.
short
How
what is temporal dead zone? Just in short.
where the variables are created and can call after the creation.
Okay, got it. Get it.
Yes.
Just see, huh? After the interview, you can check what is temporal dead zone. Okay.
Yeah. Okay.
What do you mean by scope chain?
Scope, like changing the scope of the function of the variable, like uh, global to local, local to global.
Okay, so which are the scope chains available in JavaScript?
Local scope and global scope.
Local scope and global scope.
Global scope. Yes.
Okay. What is object destructuring?
Yeah, like if you want to take any element of the object or take the entire entire piece of the object, like we will destructure with the help of curly braces, like item number one, item number two equals to the object.
Okay.
Unpacking the, can we say, like unpacking the items.
Can you write an example?
Yeah, okay. Just like this, sir.
Okay.
Yes.
Yes, go ahead, print it.
Oh, my name.
Okay.
If I want to print it's it's
Okay.
yes.
Uh, mm, what are the different ways to construct an object?
Yeah, we can use
Which function?
factory function, which returns the object.
I didn't. I'm unable to like understand. Can you write
Factory
it?
function, we have some function, whatever the name again, and returning the object
I'm telling you how we can construct an object.
construct.
Yes. The now just you have uh, just recently you have constructed an object, right?
Yeah, directly let equals to
Yes. So what was that? What was that method?
object creation. Object creation.
That is known as object creation.
Yeah,
You
people
have
like
specific word for it. That is an example of object creation, but what it is known as that method of object creation?
initialization.
Initialization. Have you heard of object literals?
Oh, no, sir.
Okay. Any other method do you know?
Oh,
Have you used
no, sir.
object.create method?
No,
Okay.
I didn't use, but
Not
it
a.
was just in my mind. Like, is it correct or wrong? I was thinking.
What is correct or wrong? What
Like,
you
I am thinking, I want to say object dot create, but I am thinking that is that right or wrong?
object.create method is a method like it is
Okay, it
there.
is used to create.
It is there. But you told me object creation. I
Yeah,
am saying what are the ways,
object
what are
create.
the methods? So you tell me object creation. If you told me object.create, then that's a different. Okay, you can.
Yes, like it is in my mind. Just I thinking that like is it correct or
Have you
wrong?
created an object with the help of object.create method?
No, 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 sir. I didn't create it.
Okay, okay. Uh, what is recursion function?
The function calling itself is known as recursion function.
Okay, in which situations you would generally use recursion function?
Like to calculate some uh, expensive calculations, like
Yes.
to calculate some expensive calculations.
Expensive
Mm.
calculations can be done with the help of different methods as well. But okay, like which kind of expensive? Can you tell me in details? Which kind?
Yeah, like can I write?
You mean to say example for recursion?
Just I will. I'll try.
Okay.
So, yes, like it will be like this.
So what you're doing?
Like calling the same function in the function itself.
Yeah. So for this kind of situations, you will use recursion function.
And no, no, no.
So
But just I'm
I'm
saying like
just asking in which scenarios you would use recursion function.
Yes, like I read it. Mm, to find the prime numbers, I think.
To find time
Uh,
numbers.
prime,
Prime numbers.
uh, prime, yeah. I think I used it, but I didn't. I'm unable to get it now. Uh,
Okay, that's fine. No
yes,
worries.
I used this function, but I am unable to recall it
No,
right.
no, you have used, that's fine, but you should be sensing it, right? At which
Yes,
scenarios
yes,
you should be using it. Yes.
yes, yes, yeah.
Okay, no worries. No worries. We'll move to React. Uh, do you know what are the important folders in React.js application?
One is module folders, and another one is SRC, and one
Okay,
is public.
okay.
Yes.
No JS folder, no CSS folder.
Like directly, okay.
JS
These
file
like CSS, these are files. The .js means these are
files.
files, right? No.
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes. Update with it.
Yeah, got it, got it. What is npm?
Node package man.
What is the
This
use
node
of
package
it?
manager. Like if you want to install some external libraries or some icons of React or some like it is used to install. It is used to run build. It is
Okay.
used to yes.
Okay. Uh,
Okay.
React, it is a framework.
No, React. It is a library.
Okay. It is a two-way data binding or it is a one-way data binding.
Yeah, it is a only single way data binding.
Why?
But in React as a React it only allows the like parent it allows the components to be like shared with parent to child.
Okay.
Yes, but in very worst cases we can use callback and we can send the props from child to parent.
Okay. Okay.
Yes.
Uh, what are the other JS frameworks other than React?
Frameworks Angular, uh, Vue.js
Okay.
and Next.js. Yes, sir, that's it.
Okay. Uh, do you know the difference between CSR and SSR?
CSR, SSR.
No? Okay.
No, no, sir.
Do you know the full form?
No, I have read it first time.
Uh, okay. Do you know client side rendering and server side rendering?
Yeah, I read about it. Like client side rendering means the initial HTML page will be rendered the first, and the server side render means like the all the HTML and JS file will be command and only like it will be rendered all the combination of HTML and CSS at one time. But whereas in server side initially the minimal HTML page will be loaded.
Okay, tell me whether React it is a client side rendering or server side rendering.
Yeah, it is a server side rendering.
It is a server side rendering. Okay.
Yes.
Can you tell me why it is server-side rendering?
Yeah, because I think React is a virtual DOM where initially it allows the HTML to be rendered. The initial components, initial elements will be rendered. Yes. Uh, yes, sir, that's it.
Uh, okay. What is JSX?
Like JSS is nothing but like it is a JavaScript XML, like in which we can use as a combination of HTML and JavaScript.
Okay. Do you know why we use okay, web browsers able to read JSX?
No,
Why?
here it cannot directly read the JSX. The Babel converter will be converted through the HTML, and then the web browsers can be able to read it.
Why Babel converts, like
Like the job of the Babel is
why there is a need for Babel to convert it?
because the browser cannot read the JSX directly.
Okay.
Yes, yes, sir,
So which do you know
yes,
ES? Okay. There are different versions of ES. ES5,
yes, yes.
ES6. So from which version to the lower version browsers are able to understand? ES
Uh, ES5.
ES5 what? Like only ES5 browsers are able to
Okay.
understand?
I think from ES1 to ES5.
Okay.
No, no. Yeah, it's a
Okay. Uh, what are undeclared and undefined variables?
yeah. Undeclared means like uh, uh, we have initialized the.
Okay, give me
Sorry.
an example in JavaScript.
Okay. First one I will say like undefined.
Okay.
It's, it's like here now the X will be undefined.
Okay. X will be
Yes.
undefined.
Yes.
Can you print it?
Like suppose if we do X equals to 10, X,
Are you sure it is undefined?
X var.
Do you know
Yeah,
the
it's
difference between defined and undefined?
undefined means like uh, in the global scope, like in the global memory, the value is assigned. So the variable is assigned, but the value is not assigned.
So print undeclare. How will it?
Yeah, undeclared means like
Like
mm,
you were first printing undefined, right?
yes.
So can you go ahead with undefined?
Yeah, okay, that's okay.
No, no, no need to run the code. We know. Okay, okay, you know it is 10. Now print me undefined.
Oh, it is. Can I run this?
So this will be undefined, you mean to say.
Yes.
Okay, go ahead.
Let's see.
Now you declare like now print undeclared.
Undeclared. Okay.
Tell me first what is undeclared.
Undeclared means like we are not declaring any variable or any something
Okay, go ahead.
which is not defined.
Okay,
Yes. Okay. Undeclared like
so what it is? So have you done it right or wrong? What do you think?
I think it is not showing that declare. It is just telling that it is not defined. I mean, it's like undeclared. Yeah, it is the right. I think.
Yes. Okay.
Yes, it is right.
Okay. Tell me, have you done? Okay, you have generally used which functional or class components,
Yeah, functional components.
and functional components arrive in which version? From which version the functional components have been
In
introduced?
React,
Yes.
uh, I think React 8.
Yes.
Yes, React 8.
React 8.
8. I
Are you
think
sure?
so. Yes, I think.
Okay. Do you know the difference between stateless and stateful components?
Yeah, the state functional components can be considered as stateless, and class components can be considered as stateful.
That's it. Why? Can you?
Uh, yes, like because the component which consists of yes, it can be considered as state. Oh,
But
sorry,
both have
stateless.
states.
Yeah,
So why functional components are known as stateless, and why class
because
components?
yes, because initially the functional component doesn't have the ability to use the state.
Why?
Uh,
Like, is there any?
Yes, it doesn't support also life cycle methods. Uh, uh, no idea, sir.
Okay, okay, fine. Uh, hmm, what is okay? Uh, in functional components, how will you do unmounting?
Unmounted.
Yes.
Yeah, with the yeah, help of use effect.
Yes.
Yes.
Use effect.
Uh,
That's it.
yes, sir. With the help of those effect,
Anything you will use inside use effect.
yeah, we'll use callback function inside use effect and an empty array.
You will be using callback
A
function
call
in this for unmounting.
like for unmounting like a array with empty dependencies.
Array with empty dependencies and
Like
callback
if the comp
function.
yes,
So what will be used for updating phase?
yeah, like with the help of use effect also we can update. Like if there are any changes in the element,
Yeah,
uh,
use effect inside that what you will use.
like we'll insert the elements, whatever the required elements should be updated into the array
First
of
parameter
dependency.
what it will be.
First parameter will be callback function and next the array of dependencies.
Array of dependencies.
Yes.
And even in unmounting method there will be callback function or there will be return method.
No, there will
You are not sure?
in user not so.
Okay, that's fine. Uh, do you know similarities between use state and use reducer hook?
Similarities means like a use state will does not accept the callback function and use reducer will accept a callback function.
Similarities, not differences.
So it is both. It is used for both state management.
Okay,
Uh, mm,
that's
yes,
it.
I know one.
Okay,
Yeah, I know one.
tell me, do you know code splitting?
Uh, Code splitting, code chunking. Like it is. Yeah,
Yes.
like dividing the code into pieces.
Why we divide and what is why it is useful or why it is not so useful? Do you know why?
Not exactly, but I read just code splitting means dividing the code into different components.
You should be knowing the reason, right? If you are telling something, there should be any reason or fact. Okay, that's fine. You can look afterwards. Uh, you haven't worked on class components, right?
Work, but not as much as function components.
Okay, so you know lifecycle methods in class components.
Uh, just like updating phase, mounting phase, unmounting phase.
So these are the phases. Which are the methods used for the respective phases?
Yeah, like component did one,
Oh,
component update, component did update, component did unmount.
did unmount.
Yeah, yes.
Are you sure?
Sorry, component will unmount.
Okay. Okay.
Yes.
Uh, so okay, we will move to HTML. Do you know what are void elements in HTML?
Yeah, like it doesn't have any closing tag like image or input or
Okay. And image.
image and input or image element, input element, and next
Do you
uh,
know the void elements? What is the alternative name of void elements?
alternative void elements.
Like name, alternative name. It is also known as any other
Okay,
name.
okay.
Okay, first tell me what are the empty elements. You told me image, input, and
Image input and like
that's
I
it.
think iframe.
iframe, iframe.
Yes. I said like not getting it, but these type of elements can be said as void elements.
Okay. So, what are the various formatting tags in HTML?
Yeah, like
Do you know what do you mean by formatting tags?
no, not exactly.
Like you print a text in different format.
Like bold, strong.
Yes,
Is that?
yes.
Uh,
That's it.
yes, yes. Like on I like italic.
Okay.
Mm, uh, yes, that's it. Okay.
That's it.
Bold, strong, italic.
You are joined from phone?
No, sir. Like I'm using Bluetooth. Its charging was dead.
Okay, okay, okay. No worries,
10%.
no worries. Uh, you can close this sharing.
Okay.
Okay, tell me, the what are the different types of list in HTML?
Unordered list and ordered list.
That's it.
Yes, unordered list and ordered list.
Okay.
Yes.
So you haven't used the description list?
No,
Yeah.
sir.
Okay, that's fine. So in how many ways we can specify CSS styles for HTML element?
Okay. One is inline style and one is with ID and one is with class and one is with tag and
You
one is with I
you
think
told me
universal.
you told me inline style,
Yeah, inline styles.
and so that's like, so there is
That's
no other ways to define CSS styles.
yeah, inline with the help of class and with the help of like sir, am I audible?
Yeah, you are audible.
Yeah, inline styles, class styles with ID and with the tags and with universal selector.
So you told me inline. There won't be
Yes,
external
what?
CSS you haven't used? Internal, external.
Yeah, like this classes, IDs, these all will be like external CSS. Like
Yes,
so creating the another file dot with dot CSS.
yeah, so you could have named,
Yeah,
so
okay,
that for the
okay,
directly you
okay, I
have to
got it,
name inline, internal, and okay, that's fine.
got it.
Uh, in how many ways we can position HTML element?
Uh, one is absolute, one is fixed, and one is relative,
Okay.
and one is inherit. Uh, yes, sir. That's it. Not very. Yes.
Absolute,
Fixed,
fixed,
relative,
relative,
inherit.
inherit. What does inherit do?
Like it inherits a position of parent element.
Okay. So HTML elements. What is the default position of HTML elements?
Static.
Static. Okay.
Yes.
So you missed that one. And okay. Uh, how do you specify the link in HTML?
Like for what link?
You specify the link in HTML document. Do you?
Like creating for a anchor element or like linking with the src file or css
Yes,
file.
you link
For
it with
what?
the HTML document.
Like I should link the css file with html. Is that
I'm saying, how will you link?
okay? How I am it? I didn't get your
Specify.
point, so like that.
There are multiple links we have. Not only
Link.
CSS link. I'm not saying. I'm saying links. URL. You
Okay.
specify URL in HTML document.
Yeah. One anchor element using anchor elements.
Okay,
Yes. Sir. Yeah.
that's it. What do you use inside anchor element?
Yeah, instead anchor element we use the href attribute
HTML
and we
attribute.
provide the URL.
Okay,
Yes,
yeah, got
we
it.
provide the URL of the part.
Got it. Uh, what uh, what is the use of span tag and how it is different from div tag?
Like span tag is meant like it is an inline element and div is like a block level element. Like
Okay,
the div consumes the width of the total screen and the span will consumes only the context width.
okay, okay. Uh, do you know difference between HTML and XHTML?
Yeah, not exactly. Like it is the XHTML means like it is the one step advance of HTML.
One step advanced.
Uh, yes.
It follows any rules? XHTML, does it follow any rules?
Yes, like it follows the rules as HTML. Mm, yes, sir. Not.
Okay, no worries, no worries. What are the tags used to display a table?
One is table tag and one is tr and one is
Okay,
td.
TR, TDN,
Td. Tr, td.
TR,
Table.
TR, TD, and
Table.
table.
Yes.
What is an image map?
Image map.
Yeah.
Image map. No idea about image map.
Okay, fine. Um, Do you know what is the use of fig caption tag in HTML? Fig caption
Caption
tag.
tag.
Fig FIG caption tag. Fig caption tag.
No, sir.
Okay, no worries. We'll move to CSS. Do you know what is CSS box model? What is CSS box model?
Like the CSS will be like uh, like it will be in the all the elements will be like in the box, and it consumes the 12 rows and columns.
Do you know different parts of the box model?
Different parts of the box model.
You told me it will be a box.
Yes, it will be
The,
a box.
so it is wrapped around HTML element. So what is the wrapping consist of?
Body body tag,
Border. Yes, border is there.
border, and padding.
So there is a content inside. So tell me
Yes, content.
through line after content
Okay.
what it will be wrapped through.
Yeah. Okay. First one content, and then is border, and then is padding, and then is margin.
Content, border.
Border,
Are you sure?
padding, content,
After
bo-
content there is a border.
like it will be padding also, like content, padding,
No, it will be
border,
padding
margin.
also, or what it will be.
Like if it is nested in the element, first one will be like a content and border and padding and margin, or else it will be only in single. First one will be content and padding and margin, sorry, and border and margin.
Okay.
Yes.
What is specificity in CSS?
Yeah, specificity means like the specificity which has higher preference. The styles of this will be applied.
So
Like
can you
the
tell
ID
me?
will have most. Yes, ID have the most preference,
Okay.
and tag will be at second place. Sorry, class will be at second place, and tag will be at last place.
Okay. Okay. Do you know the difference between display none and visibility hidden?
Yeah, display none means the element will be hidden, and display visibility means it will be shown. We can able to see the element.
In
Yes.
which visibility hidden?
uh, Block, display block.
In display none, it will
In
be
display none, yeah, we won't able to see, and in display block we able to see the element.
no, no. I'm saying difference between display none and visibility hidden.
Visibility hidden.
Yes.
uh, I think the display when visibility hidden, where the component is there, just the component occupies the space, but it does not visible.
In
In display visibility hidden.
I'm saying display none
Yeah,
is
display
separate
none.
and visibility hidden is separate.
Yeah, yes, sir. None is separate, visibility hidden is separate.
Yeah, so tell me what is display none and tell me what is visibility hidden and what is the difference.
Yes, like These both are used to hide the content,
Okay.
but uh, here in none, if we use display none, the
Okay.
content will be hidden and also the space of the content will be removed. Whereas in visibility hidden, the content will not be removed. Only sorry, the content will be removed. Only the space will not be removed of the component.
The content will be removed in visibility header.
The con Yes, the content will be removed, but the space will be there only. It will be stay there.
Content will be removed from the HTML document.
Like we can not HTML, we are not able to see that. We cannot
It
able to see the content.
it won't be display, but it will take space. You meant to say.
Yes, 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 sir.
Okay. Do you know how can we animate using CSS?
Just a basic idea like using keyframes.
Okay. Okay. Fine. Do you know what are attribute selectors?
Attribute selectors.
Yeah.
Any hint?
Yes, you were saying anything.
Any hint is there? Like what we do?
Like you don't have any idea. Like should I like
Just any hint. Yes. 2%. Yes, is there any like provide some any hint?
you haven't used pseudo class selectors or combinator
No.
selectors? Okay, that's fine. What is the difference between CSS border and CSS outline? You're not audible. You're not audible. You're not audible. I guess there is some issue with your audio. Can you add earphone or like I guess there is some issue with your what has happened? I don't know. Yes.
I lost my connection.
Okay. Now now it is better.
Laptop nearby. Yes, it is. Is it visible now? Sorry, is it audible?
I you are audible but your face
Yeah, like I kept my laptop nearby me.
you
This
can on the camera. No worries.
like I lost my connection and my Bluetooth. The charging is
Now
dead. So
just keep it just bit away. Let me see whether it is audible or not. Now you
now
can.
it is.
Yeah, it is better. Let me tell you. Hello.
Hello.
Yeah. Uh, it is better. How can we give a shadow effect to our text in CSS?
Yeah, like in CSS we can specify shadow and some uh, length width of the shadow and color of the shadow.
Okay, length of the shadow and
Color of the shadow.
so this will
Like borders, shadow box. Shadow box is the color and some pixels of shadow.
okay. Okay,
Uh,
okay. No worries. Can we overlap elements in CSS?
like yeah, yes. Oh, we can overlap the elements.
How?
With the help of position properties, like the one element can be above the other element.
Position property.
Like if suppose there is a div container 1 and there is a container 2, like we can take this container 1 to top of the container 1,
How?
like with position, using the position property, we can mention some position to container 2,
That
and we
will
can take the
overlap.
like no, like it is on the top of the container 1. No,
Hmm.
no, sir.
Okay, fine. That's it, Shivasai, from my
Yeah,
side.
like
And
uh,
yeah,
can you provide some feedback
yeah.
where should we go?